Ladybird, is that your given name?
Yeah.
Why is it in quotes?
I gave it to myself. It's given to me by me.
Ladybird always says that she lives on the wrong side of the tracks, but I always thought that that was like a metaphor. But there are actual train tracks.
What she did was very baller. It was very anarchist.
Put the magazine back!
She has a big heart, your mom.
She's warm, but she's also kind of scary.
Does Mom hate me?
You both have such strong personalities.
When is a normal time to have sex?
You're having sex?
Get ready. Just wanted it to be special.
Why? You're gonna have so much unspecial sex in your life.
I want you to be the very best version of yourself that you can be.
What if this is the best version? What I'd really like is to be on Math Olympiad.
But math isn't something you're terribly strong in.
That we know of yet.
Lady Bird, 16 de dezembro às 21h30, no TVCine 1 HD.